what does S stands for?
Hey, Alert.
Stand still. Yes. Every one of you can unmute and tell me what does S stand for, okay? If an angry dog is about to attack you, do not run. What will you do instead?
Stand still and chill.
Stand still and chill. The next thing
What on the
you will do is, if your arms are... Yes, you will wait for me to clear the finish instructions, okay? If the dog is about to jump on you, just arms across like a boss, okay? What does A stand for?
Arms crossed like a boss.
If a dog is coming at you, he's running towards you, will you also run? What will you do?
Stand still and chill.
Stand still and chill. What does A stands for?
Arms crossed like a boss.
Yes. When a dog is angry, if you look into their eyes, they will think that you're challenging them and they will try to attack you. In order to avoid that, you will keep your face away like you don't want to play. You will turn your face, okay? What does F stands for?
Face away like you don't want to play.
Yes. If a dog is standing on the right side, where will you turn your face?
Opposite side.
Opposite side, on the left side. Yes. Now the dog might come towards the other side. What will you do? Will you look in their eyes?
Eyes down on the ground.
Yes.